Dear students, this is the second part of geometric series. In this video, I am going to share with you how to find sum of geometric series. For finding sum of geometric series, we have two formula. Formula 1, Sn equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r greater than 1. Number 2, Sn equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r when r less than 1. So students, keep it in mind, there are two formula for finding out sum of geometric series. Sn equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r greater than 1, and Sn equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r when r less than 1, where Sn stand for sum of n numbers, a signifies the first term of the series, r signifies the common ratio. Let us give a simple example. Find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 2 7 terms. Here a equal to 1 and r equal to 3 by 1 equal to 3, which is greater than 1. We have to find out sum up to 7 terms. S7 1 into 3 to the power 7 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 to the power 7 means 2187 minus 1 by 2. 2186 by 2. 1093. So we got the sum of 7 terms. Example 2. Find the sum of 1 plus root 3 plus 3 plus 3 root 3 plus dot 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 to 10 terms. Here a equal to 1, r equal to root 3 by 1 means root 3, which is greater than 1, because we know root 3 equal to 1.732 approximately. So we have to apply Sn equal to a r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Therefore S10 1 into root 3 to the power 10 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 to the power 10 means 10 by 2 minus 1. 3 to the power 5 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. 3 to the power 5 means 243 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. 242 by root 3 minus 1. At the same time, we are rationalizing the denominator. So root 3 square minus 1 square, 242 root 3 plus 1, 242 root 3 plus 1, 121 root 3 plus 1. Example 3. Find the sum of 3 by 5, 4 by 5 square, 3 by 5 cube, 4 by 5 to the power 5 to 2n terms. That is T2 by T1 not equal to T3 by T2. So we can't say this series is in GP. But if you look it differently, it is in GP. Let's see how to solve this. For solving this problem, rewrite the series 3 by 5, 4 by 5 square, 3 by 5 cube, 4 by 5 to the power 4 plus 2n terms. Now 3 by 5, 3 by 5 cube plus 3 by 5 to the power 5 dot 2n terms. Why? In total there are 2n terms. So skipping one element, we can write this series, and 4 by 5 square plus 4 by 5 to the power 4 plus 4 by 5 to the power 6 plus 2n terms. So we broke the series into two different GP series. Why I decided both the series are GP series? Because if you divide the second term by first one for the first series, you will get 1 by 25, and if you divide the third term by first one, you will get 1 by 25. So we can call it as a GP series. And for the second case also, if you divide the second term by first one, you will get 1 by 25. If you divide the third term by second one, you will also get 1 by 25. So here in both cases r less than 1. Now let us apply the formula for finding sum. A 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r and for the second series, first term is 1 minus 1 by 5 square whole to the power n by 1 minus 3 by 5 into 25 by 24 1 minus 1 by 5 to the power 2n 4 by 25 25 by 24 1 minus 1 by 5 to the power 2n. We can take common 25 by 24 into 1 minus 1 by 5 to the power 2n. So within bracket 3 by 5 plus 4 by 25 25 by 24 5 to the power 2n 5 to the power 2n minus 1 LCM is 25 15 plus 4 25 cancel, so 19 by 24 which is the sum of this given series. Another example, example 4. Find the sum of the series 8 plus 88 plus 888 to n terms. Look, this sum is not in GP series, because if you divide 88 by first term you will get 11, and if you divide the third term, that is 888 by 88, you will not get 11. So this is not GP series, but you have to solve this problem by using GP series. In order to apply the formula, we have to convert it to GP series. I am taking common 8, so 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus now you can write 8 by 9 equal to 9 plus 99 plus 999 to n terms. 8 by 9, 10 minus 1 means 9, 100 minus 1 means 99, 1000 minus 1 means 999, and so on to n terms. If we rearrange the first term from the each of the brackets, we can write 10 plus 100 plus 1000 dot 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 to n terms, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. We can take common the negative side, so we'll get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 to n terms. Now you clearly see that the first series is in GP, because you divide by 100 by 10 you will get 10. If you divide 1000 by 100 you will also get 10. So we can apply the formula here. Obviously r greater than 1, so 10 into 10 to the power, first term is 10 and common ratio also 10, 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. N times 1 means n. 8 by 9, so 10 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 n. If we take common 9, we will get 8 by 81, 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 9n, that is 8 by 81, and if you multiply this, 10 to the power n plus 1 minus 10 minus 9n, which is the answer. Today I have shown you how to do the sum of a GP series. I think you understood all the 4 examples. No more today. I wish you all the best.